how to buy on Kijiji. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy stuff on Kijiji. So first of all you have to do is just open the Kijiji official website and you will be landed to the homepage of the Kijiji website online, and after that you just simply have to sign in or register to the account. If you already have an account, just go ahead and click on sign in, and if you don't have an account, just click on register and create an account for yourself. So I'm just gonna click on sign in because I already have an account here on Kijiji, and after that just log in with your email address and your password. And once you are logged in into your account, you will see this kind of interface. On the top hand side menu you will see all these options like buy and sell, cars and vehicle, real estate, job, services, pets, community, vacation rentals, and other options. If you want to buy products on Kijiji, all you have to do is just locate the buy and sell section from the top menu, and after that this drop down menu will show up where you will see different options to buy. For example, if you want to buy some art or some audio, baby items, bikes, books, or different things that are there, you can choose from the variety of the products that are listed here. So for example, you want to buy some furniture or electronics, so you can choose accordingly. I'm just gonna click on books for now. And after that, on the right hand side you will have to select the category or the kind of book that you would want to buy. For example, comic, magazine, fiction, non-fiction, and other option. So I'm just gonna click on magazine. You can select accordingly as per your choice. I'm just showing you as an example. And after that you will be landed to this page where you will have different options. You can see that there is two options for the magazine or the category that I have selected. And after that you will be able to see the price of this particular magazine right here, and when you will scroll down you will be able to see the description of this particular item and the things that it contains. And on the right hand side you will have the option to write a message to them, and you can also contact the Kijiji support team if you are facing some problem. And in order to buy it, you just have to simply write a message here that you are interested buying this particular product, and after that just simply click on send message, and your message has been sent to the seller who is selling this particular magazine right here. And the seller who is selling this particular item will contact you within 24 hours, and then you will be able to negotiate the price with the seller that who is selling this product, and then you will be able to buy it quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to buy products on Kijiji. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.